Hey, how's everyone doing? Happy Thursday. I am so tired. It's so late. It's about 9 o'clock here, and I don't know if any of you guys watch golf, but I feel like most of my following on YouTube is probably right here in Augusta. So there's just been like a crazy amount of traffic, and I hate to kind of sound like an old man, but I typically go to bed about like 9:30. I read for about a half hour, but yeah. So this vlog is a little bit late, but I am pretty happy. I just got to spend some time getting to know my coworkers, and gotta say, everything's going great. At some point, I'll have to I don't think I'll ever reveal where I work. I just think that that's kind of awkward to tell people where I work. But I will say, really happy with everything. But apart from my job, things are going really well. I've gotten back into making my C course. Can show you one of the things that I was working on this morning. It's pretty fun stuff. I I think I'm in the final stages of putting this thing together. This is the last step. I want to take. So the reason that I'm doing this whole thing is one of the things that I think is that helps you become a better developer, maybe with systems, not so much really web, but just being able to understand a computer a little bit better is to learn how to, kind of make things in C. And so I wanted to make this whole entire data structures course in C. Some of the stuff is in C++, but it's all in C. And the main thing I really wanted to demonstrate here in this like example is my course. I want to go all the way from just simple data structures in C all the way to a heap tree. Why? Why is that important to me? Because it was really enlightening to me my first job when I was having coffee with this other person that was working with me. We're working on this project, and we had like 10,000 pixels that we had to process very quickly. I think it was actually 100,000, and it turned out that we were trying to go through each one, pixel by pixel, and that wasn't going to work. So we had to use a clever way to get a data structure set up. So it was a binary search, but we took the whole entire. What the heck just happened to my file system? What's going on with this? Okay, that was recorded. So whatever the heck happened there, that was weird. It just jumped to search. What we did in this project is we took all these data points and we turned them into a heap, and then we sorted through them. We were able to find the minimum and maximum values, which is so important in something like electrical engineering or computer engineering. You're typically dealing with data that is not sorted, and you have to find a particular value. So learning how to do these things from the ground up is really essential, and it's going to be the first course I'm teaching. But yeah, you can see I've been working on this one. It's what is today? Today is the 11th. Yeah. So I started this yesterday and made it today. And you'll notice that whenever I write a program, I've been doing this more and more nowadays. Just kind of like talking about this. What I've been doing is making a test case. So this is how I know. Oh my gosh. Now, Control Z, Control Z. This is how I know my code works. I make a test case. Up here at the top before I just write down some functions that I think I'm probably going to use. And then I make a bunch of tests that are probably going to fail starting out. And this is called test-driven development. I basically make a bunch of tests up here, and then I just have these blank functions up here with their definitions, and then down below I put in some functions, and I never really have the actual return values in there or anything at first, just because I want to see the tests fail. And then as I progress through my project, I actually finish out these functions, and then when my test pass, I know it's been implemented successfully. So really, this course I'm doing is like a twofold thing. Teaches you a threefold thing, I guess. It's teaching about a computer system with C, also teaching you how to do stuff with test-driven development, and also teaching you data structures and algorithms. But it takes time, and I'm really busy, but maybe next weekend when I have a little bit more time and I'm not going to a wedding and not starting a new job and not tutoring people and not working out in the morning. I don't know. I'm trying to get all that stuff, narrowed down, but I think it's just there's a lot going on, especially with the Masters. I mean, I didn't expect to get home 2 hours late today, so that was kind of a damper on things. Other than that, though, just that's my main focus right now is finishing this data structures course and just really getting it started. That's the difficult thing. I found that it's pretty difficult because I know that the audio quality currently now for this computer is not great, so I'm trying to improve that. And that I'm considering getting this microphone called the Blue Yeti. That's the thing I'm really considering doing. But for the time being, that's just gonna have to wait. I got plenty of stuff I can work on in the content. But yeah, other than that, that's what I've been up to. Today was pretty much just working on this stuff in the morning, and working on it all morning, and then afterwards went to work, and things are going really, really well there. In my opinion, I don't know, maybe that might be different from other people, but I'm really enjoying getting to work in like these bigger projects with larger code bases and seeing how things were written before and how they've been improved and the direction of things and how big projects are being completed. So that's been really exciting for me as, I guess you could say, an entry level junior developer in this field. It's been pretty cool, but it's definitely keeping me busy during the day. I don't have a lot of time like I used to have with Code Boot Camp, where I could during my lunch whip up some programs and stuff like that. I'm typically spending time with my coworkers and just trying to understand everything that's going on. That'll probably change. I think that stuff tends to change after 3-6 months. You start to get into the swing of things, but for right now it's really a lot of learning, doing a lot of stuff. That's it. That's the only update I got for Thursday. And if you're in Augusta, Masters traffic, I love all the golf patrons. I'm so thankful that we got all these people coming to our city spending money and supporting local businesses. But yeah, I don't like having to wait 2 hours to get home. It did take me 2 hours. Other than that, that's it. Happy Thursday, everyone.